Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. This video collection contains a wide variety of design ideas, design patterns, embroidery styles, along with a wide variety of different color combination of fabric base, along with a very beautiful blend of hand embroidery thread. So I would recommend you to do watch the video till end so that you can get all the stylish, amazing and trendy patterns. So this is a video in which you can see side neckline embroidery patterns, and all of these side neckline embroidery patterns are simple, easy to make. They are beginner friendly, and embroidery artists and embroidery lovers and the ones who know the art of hand embroidery can simply make these beautiful patterns of embroidery for getting more stylish, amazing and trendy concepts of hand embroidery. I would recommend you to do watch the video and stay connected and stay concerned with us and keep supporting us, keep loving us as you always have been. And the basic purpose of making videos and sharing with you is to share some creativity and design ideas. We never intend to reclaim someone else's work as our own or copy someone else's work as our own. The basic, beautiful, easy to make hand embroidery patterns are a beautiful treat for summer dresses, for intermixed fabrics, for any type of kurti, short length, medium length, long length kurti styles. On my channel, you can get a wide variety of design ideas relevant to hand embroidery. And the beauty and creativity of my design pattern sharing with you is that they could be equally used for hand embroidery as well as for machine embroidery. Guys, the basic concern for making and sharing videos with you is to share a common platform with the ones that can know how you can shape your or give a new dimension to the art of hand embroidery. So different style patterns, different color combinations that are extremely suitable for weather conditions like winters as well as summers are being shared with you. And I would request you to do mention in the comment section that which design you like the most and why. And let us know in the comment section that what you want us to share with you in our latest and new upcoming videos. After then, take care. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the new and more upcoming videos. Guys, different type of stylized patterns of hand embroidery have been shared, into which some sort of easy, simple, basic, beginner-friendly hand embroidery stitches have been used like satin stitch, lazy daisy stitch, forward stitch, Brazilian embroidery, French knot, twisted knot, many more other simple and easy and basic beginner-friendly stitches. So with this, allow me to leave and keep on watching my new and everyday coming videos.